Hello students, good morning. Dear students, kindly take out Standard 5 Social Studies Chapter 4, page number 27. Let's continue the chapter. The people of DRC. Most of the population of DRC are black Africans. People are tall with dark complexion and curly hair. There are variety of tribes living inside the deep forests. Most of the people live in the highlands in the east along the rivers. Only about 30% of the people live in cities. Modern facilities are available there. People live in buildings and apartments. Fact file. The DRC was ruled by Belgium and became independent in 1960. Earlier it was called Belgium Congo. The name was changed to Zaire in 1971. Once again in 1997 its name was changed to the Democratic Republic of Congo DRC. Pygmies are the well-known inhabitants of this country. They are also called Negrilos. They are excellent hunters. They use small bow and arrows to hunt animals. They are not very tall. Dear students, see. Pygmies are excellent hunters. This is a picture of pygmies. They have reddish brown skin and tightly curled brown hairs. The pygmies do not grow crops. They respect forest and perform many ceremonies to maintain friendly relation with their natural world. The women gather berries, mushrooms, roots and nuts. The local language is Bantu and the official language is French. Important cities of Congo are Kinshasa, which is the capital and the largest city of DRC. Dear students, see, this is the picture of Kinshasa, the capital. Capital of DRC. Matadi is the most important part on River Congo. It has many small-scale industries such as cigarette, beverage and vegetable oil. Students, kindly turn the page. Bukavu is very famous for its natural lakes and beauty. Other important cities are Lubumbashi, Kananga, etc. Transport and communication. The transport system is very poor because of dense forest. Railways are developed in the southeastern parts of the country. Matadi is a railway junction as transport is becoming popular in cities. Some of the important cities are nowadays connected with telephones, radio, television and satellite facilities. In villages, people still communicate by drum signals. The standard of living of the people is improving and the country is now developing fast. The infrastructure of the country is improved. Money earned from export is being used to provide facilities to the people of Democratic Republic of Congo. Keywords: Pygmies, people with less height who mainly live in Central Africa and the South East Asia. Tribes: a large group of people who live in the same area. Infrastructure, the basic facilities and services that we all need, such as school, market, hospital, etc. Now I know the DRC is the third largest country in Africa. It lies in the equatorial region. The country has dense rainforest. Mining and farming are the main occupation. Farming is also an important occupation. Most of the habitats are Bantu Negroes. The Pygmies are the original inhabitants of the country. Kinshasa is the capital of DRC. Okay students, thank you.